The snow falls softly. It covers the ground like a white blanket. Outside, everything is quiet and peaceful. Little Leo looks out the window. He sees the snow. He smiles. "Snow!" he shouts. Leo loves winter. He loves the snow. He loves to play outside. He puts on his warm coat. He puts on his hat and gloves. He puts on his boots. He is ready for a snow day adventure. His mum smiles. "Be careful, Leo," she says. "Don't stay out too long." Leo nods. He opens the door. He runs outside. The cold air makes his cheeks pink. He takes a deep breath. The air is fresh and clean. He sees his friend, Maya. Maya is building a snowman. She is wearing a big red scarf. "Hi, Leo," she calls. "Hi, Maya," Leo says. "Can I help?" "Of course," Maya says. They work together. They roll the snow. They make a big ball for the bottom. They make a smaller ball for the middle. They make a tiny ball for the head. They find some sticks for the arms. They find some pebbles for the eyes. Maya gives the snowman a carrot for a nose. Leo gives the snowman a funny hat. "Our snowman is finished," Maya says. "He's perfect," Leo agrees. They both laugh. They play in the snow. They make snow angels. They throw snowballs. Leo throws a snowball at a tree. It hits the tree with a soft thump. Maya makes a snowball. She throws it at Leo. It misses him. Leo laughs. He makes a snowball. He throws it at Maya. It misses her too. They have a snowball fight. They run and jump. They laugh and giggle. The snow falls around them. It is like magic. After a while, Leo starts to feel cold. His fingers are numb. His toes are cold. "I'm cold," he says to Maya. "Me too," Maya says. "Let's go inside." They go inside Maya's house. Maya's mum is making hot chocolate. "Hello, children," she says. "You look like you had fun." "We did," Leo says. "We built a snowman. And we had a snowball fight," Maya adds. Maya's mum gives them each a mug of hot chocolate. The hot chocolate warms them up. They drink it slowly. It tastes delicious. They sit by the window. They watch the snow fall. It is still snowing. The world outside is white and beautiful. "Winter is my favourite season," Leo says. "Mine too," Maya agrees. "I love playing in the snow." They talk about their favourite things about winter. They talk about sledding. They talk about ice skating. They talk about building snow forts. The snow keeps falling. It covers everything in a soft white blanket. Leo feels warm and cozy inside. He is happy. He had a wonderful snow day. He finishes his hot chocolate. He says goodbye to Maya and her mum. He walks home through the snow. The snow crunches under his boots. When he gets home, his mum is waiting for him. "How was your snow day?" she asks. "It was amazing," Leo says. "I played with Maya. We built a snowman. We had a snowball fight. And we drank hot chocolate." His mum smiles. "That sounds like fun," she says. "Now, let's get you warm and dry." Leo takes off his wet clothes. He puts on his warm pajamas. He sits by the fire with his mum. They read a book together. Outside, the snow continues to fall. Inside, Leo is warm and happy. He thinks about his snow day. He can't wait for the next snow day. He knows it will be just as fun. Winter is a wonderful time. Leo loves winter. He loves the snow. He loves playing outside with his friends.